Hello, guys. I hope all of you are doing great. And as always, if you are new to my channel, I would strongly request you to subscribe to my channel so that you get all these latest updated videos that will assist you in your future education. Thank you. Okay, today our topic is to understand the basic algebraic equations. Okay, so an algebraic equation is composed of the following. Okay, it has numbers. These are constants: 4, 10, 0, 100, minus 100, minus 10. All these numbers it will have, and then these numbers are treated in algebraic equation as constants. Okay, also in algebraic equations we have constants can also be in the terms of a, b, c are also treated as constants. So you don't get worried if a constant comes like ABC. This is also a constant and it can have a numerical value. This can also be as a constant. Then an algebraic equation will also have a variable. That variable will always be in the form of x, y, z, or w. Remember, they will always be a variable. Okay, remember, a constant is a fixed value. Okay, this a, b, c or 4, 10, these are all fixed values. And like for example, for this a, we can treat this a as, we can make it this a as a constant. We can say this, for example, as this a is equal to 2. So this again becomes the same as this value, 410. So these are fixed values, are constants. And if you look at it here, the variables are, again, as the name suggests, they will vary, they will change. For example, if we say x, y, z, these are all variables. And for these variables, you have to find the value for the solution of the algebraic equation. They can be x, y, z, or w. Okay. Then in algebraic equation, if you look at it, you will have terms. You will see terms like 2x or 4y. These are terms. Okay. In these terms, what are these terms? Actually, the first numerical value is always termed as the coefficients, and as you know, this x will always be called as a variable. So if it can be 2x, it can be 4y, it can be minus 5y. So these are all will be treated as for minus 5 will be called as a coefficient, and y will be the variable. Okay, so let's understand this theory from a by taking a numerical algebraic equation, a symbol basic algebraic equation. 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are always wanting to find the unique value of this variable. Which variable? This x. We want to find what x is, which will balance this algebraic equation. Okay. So what we will do here is that 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so what we can say very easily, we can take this 10 on the from the left hand side to the right hand side. When we will take this is the plus value. Whenever we move from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign change. Okay, so 2x will be equal to minus 10. Now once this is done, we can make basically the left hand side and the right hand side, we can divide both these sides by 2. If we divide it by 2, it becomes 2x upon 2 is equals to minus 10 upon 2. So what happens now, this 2 of the numerator is divided by the 2 of the denominator, and we are left with the value of x, and this minus 10 is divided by 2. So it becomes 2 5s are 10, and minus sign stays at is, so x is equals to minus 5. Now here's this is the solution. You have to find the x, but actually you wanted to check whether you have solved it correctly to get full numbers or you have made a mistake. So one of the ways is that this x equals to minus 5 is the unique value for this equation, and what we will do, we will put x equals to minus 5 in our main equation. And our main equation is what? 2x plus 10 equal to 0. So 2, and what is the value of x you have calculated? Minus 5. To minus 5 to, so plus 10 is equal to 0. Now you multiply the bracket to be solved. 2 into 5 is 10, and plus minus 10 plus 10. If you add them, your result will be equal to 0, and you will see that the left hand side equals to right hand side. So hence we have correctly solved this simple basic algebraic equation. Okay, so whenever an algebraic equation comes, this is going to be a target. In this equation we have 0 equal to 0 as left hand side equal to right hand side. We can also have a value, say for example 5 equal to 5, or 8 equals to 8, or minus 2 equals to minus 2, and if the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, it means we have solved the algebraic equation correctly. Okay, I hope you understand the basic theory of algebraic equations, and I thank you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.